Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine an AI agent trying to answer a simple question but secretly burning massive compute behind the scenes. Today's story is from the paper By and Accuracy, Unveiling Inefficiency Patterns in Tool-Integrated Reasoning by Qisheng and Feng Zhao, and it reveals something surprising. Smarter doesn't always mean faster, or even better. So here's the problem. Modern LLM agents don't just think, they use tools, search, Python, APIs. This is called Tool-Integrated Reasoning or TIR. But every time a model calls a tool, it pauses, loses its memory cache, and then has to rebuild context again. Worse, tool responses can be huge, flooding the context. And suddenly, every next token becomes slower and more expensive. Traditional metrics like token count, they completely miss this hidden cost. Think of it like this. Prefill is like loading everything into your brain, fast but heavy. Decode is like thinking step by step, but constantly reading everything. Now imagine your notes keep getting longer, and every thought requires rereading the entire notebook. That's exactly what happens here. So the authors introduce a new metric called PTE, Prefill Token Equivalents. Instead of counting tokens, it models real hardware cost. It combines prefill cost, compute heavy, decode cost, memory heavy, and context length, the hidden multiplier. In simple terms, PTE asks, how expensive is this reasoning in actual compute time? And here's the key insight. Two models can have the same accuracy, but one can be 10x more expensive. This graph tells a powerful story. The best models sit in the bottom right, high accuracy, low cost. But many models cluster at similar accuracy, yet wildly different PTE, meaning we've been optimizing the wrong thing. Now comes the most interesting part. The paper uncovers 4 inefficiency patterns. First, confirmatory tool use. The model already knows the answer, but still calls a tool to double check, wasteful. Second, tool mixing, jumping between tools unnecessarily, increasing cost without improving results. Third, lack of tool priors. Models don't know how to use tools properly, like forgetting to print output in Python. And fourth, tool format collapse. Tiny format changes break everything, causing repeated failures and retries. Here's the twist. Cost doesn't hit early, it explodes later. As context grows, each step becomes more expensive. So only overthinking silently creates massive cost later. And even more surprising, higher PTE often correlates with lower accuracy. More tools, more steps doesn't mean better answers. So what's the takeaway? Efficiency isn't just optimization, it's a signal of intelligence. Good reasoning is compact, focused, and avoids unnecessary tool use. And this opens a bigger question. What if the future of AI isn't just about thinking more, but thinking just enough? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.